You've worked hard to advance your skills and become an expert in your field. That knowledge is critical to keeping operations running smoothly. But your time is critical too. That's why nothing should take your focus away from the most important tasks at hand, especially your technology. So when a thermal printer is a key part of your everyday, it needs to contribute, not create obstacles. It has to adapt to your needs intelligently, protect sensitive data without being prompted, and like you, eagerly power through the week. It should be almost invisible, allowing you to focus on bigger things and to move through tasks with confidence, because your attention shouldn't be consumed by troubleshooting, downtime, or security breaches. And the rest of your team shouldn't have to think about printing either. Their skills can be better dedicated to providing the best patient care, delivering on time every time, creating great experiences, building to the highest quality, and serving citizens more efficiently. When they depend on you to equip them with the best, there's no room for compromise. And with Zebra, you don't have to. You can keep going, assured that your printers have everything needed to perform day in and day out. So you can. Print confident, print secure, print Zebra.